That is the time Mr. Kejriwal was behind bars for that liquor scam. And on the eve of elections, he comes out, and the first thing he does on the very first day, he breaks the alliance. So that came as a shock. Not only it was means म्हाका सारखे इंडियेक जे पळयताले की there will be a change in Haryana. I think so there was a big letdown. There could have been some discussion or something, reasons, आनीक सीट आशिल्ल्यो आसा, maybe ते मागपाक जाताले, but they had already agreed.
तुम्ही
Formula was,
म्हणटात अलायन्स ब्रेक जावपाक आप जबाबदार.
because they had
ते म्हणटात तुम्ही
no,
जबाबदार.
because the alliance was, the formula was already announced in Haryana. Same thing Gujaratak कितें जालें, after that it followed, after this Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi. So we saw just a thought process, is there was the pressure on Kejriwal? I won't say Aam Aadmi Party, was the Kejriwalaचेर कितें pressure आशिल्लो आमकां खबर ना.